Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to play Baptiste effectively in Overwatch. Prioritize healing teammates who are critical or under heavy fire. Use amplification matrix in choke points or team fights to boost damage output. Deploy Immorality Field to save teammates from lethal ultimates or burst damage. Maintain high ground or safe spots to maximize your survivability and healing effectiveness. Practice aiming with Baptiste Biotic Launcher for consistent healing and damage. Track and manage cooldowns of Regenerative Burst and Immorality Field for optimal use. Communicate with other supports to ensure efficient healing and utility usage. Utilize Baptiste's Exo Boots to reach high ground quickly for better vantage points. Use Biotic Launcher Area Denial to deter and damage flankers like Tracer or Genji. Master the Super Jump technique for rapid repositioning and escapes. Coordinate Amplification Matrix with team ultimates like Dragon Strike or Barrage for devastating combos. Use Regenerative Burst for self-healing when under pressure or out of reach from other healers. Save Immortality Field to counter powerful enemy ultimates such as Graviton Surge or Death Blossom. Be aware of health packs locations and use them to support your team during fights. Use Biotic Launcher to help break enemy barriers and create openings for your team. Use Exo Boots and healing abilities to protect your other support from flankers or divers. Adjust your playstyle based on your team's composition and the enemy's strength. Always have an escape plan or route in mind when repositioning yourself. Make quick decisions on whether to engage, disengage, or use abilities based on the situation. And that's how to play Baptiste effectively in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!